Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to add 2 and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's get started. But first, remember, this is the plus sign. When you see this sign, you have to add all the numbers together. Adding using place value money math. Ones. Express each number with its place value money model. Remember, 10 ones equal 110. 10 ones in pounds, okay, equal 110. Example, 127 LE plus 234 LE. Okay, so first I will draw the place value money math and I will represent each number. So for 127, in the ones I will draw 7 ones in the ones place, and in the tens place I will draw 2 tens, and in the hundreds place I will draw 1 ten. And for the other number 234, in the ones place I will draw 4 ones, and in the tens place I will draw 3 tens, and in the hundreds place I will draw 2 hundreds. Now I wanted to add them all together. So if you added all the ones together and counted them, we have now 11 ones. And in the tens, we have 5 tens. And in hundred, we have 300. Okay, but take care, in the ones we have now 11 ones. And it can be, we can't put in the ones room more than 9. So what we will do, we have to make regrouping. How? First I will take 10 from the ones. Now 10 ones means what? Means 110. So the rest with me in the ones will be 1 1. And the tens we have now, we have 5 already and 1 new 10. So now we have 6 tens. And in hundreds we have 300. So the answer will be 361 LE. Another example, 415 LE plus 108. First, I will draw the place value money math for each number, and I will represent each number. For 415, in the ones place, I will draw 5 ones, and in tens, 110, and in hundreds, 400. For the other number, 108, in the ones place, I will draw 8 ones, and in tens, we have here 0, so nothing in the tens place. And in 100, 100 only. And now I wanted to add them all together. So all the ones we have now, if you counted them, you will find that you have 13 ones. And in tens, we have 110. And all the hundreds we have 500. Okay, look here in the ones we have 13 ones. It's more than 9, so we have to make regrouping. I will take 10 ones. And now we said that 10 ones equal 110. So the rest with me in the ones will be 3 ones. And the tens now we have this one and the new one, so now we have 2 tens. And the hundreds now 500. So the answer will be 523 LE. Another example, 346 LE plus 126 LE. How can we solve it? I will draw the place value money mat for each number. And in the ones, for 346, I will draw 6 ones. And in tens, 4 tens. And in hundreds, 3 hundreds. For the other number 126, in the ones place I will draw 6 ones, and in tens 2 tens, and in hundreds 100. Okay, so now I will add them all together. All the ones we have now, we have 12 ones. If you counted all the ones here, you will find that they are 12. And all the tens we have now, 6 tens. And all the hundreds, 400. Okay, in the ones place we have 12 1. It can be, we can't put 12 1 in the same room. It's more than 9. So what we will do, we have to make regrouping. How? I will take 10 ones. And we said that 10 ones equal to 110. Exactly. So the rest with me in the ones will be 2 ones. And all the tens now we have already 6 tens, and we have the new one. So all the tens we have now 7 tens. And all the hundreds we have, the hundreds will be the same, so 400. The answer will be 472 LE. Adding using place value money mat tens. How can we solve it if we will make regrouping in the tens place? Let's see. First, we will express each number with its place value money model. And remember, 10 tens equal 100. 10 tens equal to 100. Example, 182 LE plus 134 LE. First is the same steps. I will draw the place value money mat, and I will represent each number on it. So 182, in the ones place I will draw 2 pounds, and in the tens place I will draw 8 tens, and in hundreds place I will draw 100. And for the 134, in the ones place I will draw 4 pounds, and in the tens place 3 tens, and in hundreds place 100. Now I wanted to add them all together. Okay, now we can add all the ones. No problem in that. We have 6 ones. It's less than 9, so it's okay, no problem. But what about the tens? If we counted all the tens we have now, we have 11 tens. And hundreds, the hundreds we have 2 hundreds. So no problems in the hundreds also. But take care, in the tens we have 11 10. And it can be, it's more than 9. So what we will do, we have to make regrouping. So I will take 10 tens. And we said that 10 tens equal to what? Equal to 100. Okay, so now the answer in the ones is the same, so we write in the ones 6 ones, no problem in that. And in the tens, the rest with me will be just 110. And the hundreds now we have already 2 hundreds and a new one, so we have now 300. So the answer will be 316 LE. Another example, 261 LE plus 173 LE. I will draw the place value money mat, and I will represent each number. So for 261, in the ones place I will draw just 1 pound, and in tens I will draw 6 tens, and in hundreds 2 hundreds. And for 173, in the ones I will draw 3 ones. And in tens, I will draw 7 tens. And in hundreds, 100. Okay, this is plus, so I have to add all the numbers together. And so now we have in the ones, 4 ones. And in tens, if we count all the tens we have 13 10. And the hundreds we have 300. Okay, the ones, no problem in that, they are 4, but the tens we have 13 and it can be. So we will take 10 from them and make regrouping. We'll take 10 from them and we said 10 tens equal to 100. So now we will write in the answer, in the ones we have 4 ones, no problem in that. And in the tens, the rest with me will be 3 tens, because I take the other 10 to make one new 100. And all the hundreds we have now, we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 hundreds. So the answer will be 434 LE. Another example, 350 LE plus 273 LE. The same steps. We will draw the place value money mat and we will represent each number. For 350, in the ones place we have 0, so nothing we will put here. And in the tens we will put 5 tens. And in hundreds we will draw 300. For the other number 273, in the ones I will put 3 ones. And in tens, 7 tens. And in hundreds, 200. Now I wanted to add them all together. So if I add all the ones we have, they will be 3, the same. And the tens, I will count them all. We have now 12 10. And the hundreds, we have 500. Okay. And the tens, we have 12 10. It can be, it's more than 9. So we have to make regrouping. I will take 10 tens. From them, 10 tens, we have now 100. Okay, so the answer will be, in the ones, I will take the 3 ones, no problem in that. And in the tens, the rest with me will be just 2 tens. And the hundreds we have now, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have now 600. So the answer will be 623 LE. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.